This what I make from the crypto market for the past 7 days with the crypto AI agent. $28,652 in 7 days. Let's kindly check this together to know how you can maybe achieve the same result if you want to trade with us. Let's see all the trade history at the same time, how you can duplicate the same thing. Coming here, you notice it opened over 55 open position in 7 days, which result on 28,000. Let's kindly move to a Telegram bot to see how it opens and close all the positions. Coming here, these are all the close position and the bot function: progressive, HFT, Algo search, and HFT agent. Let's see all the trade history to see how it was able to come up with this massive returns, the risks involved, and how much it take on each position. Coming here, this was our first open position of the day today, and today this is the first open position. It makes $4,762 on one open position. It displayed take profit, and what else? Let's see how much it used to make these returns. About $3,150 on one position. This is the transaction fee. Let's kindly go to our Bybit and confirm again. This is the open position XRP, $4,762, man. This is why I boldly tell you, the crypto trend, if you don't use ChatGPT AI to make decisions, you are missing out. This is what AI is making possible. ChatGPT and other premium AI agent getting the real information in real time. And let's see the second position, which make $5,000. Coming here, you notice this particular on XRP, it used $2,800 and make about $5,052 in one position. Imagine using $2,000 to make over $5,000 in less than few minutes. And let's see this other open position here, $1,500. It make $1,962 still on one position. Yes, still on one position. And $1,500. Check this again. Trading volume $1,500, and it come out with net profit $1,900. This particular one here, it used $500 and it makes $712 on still one position. And coming to a Bybit here again, these are all the close position: $4,000, $5,000, $1,900 on $1,022. This particular one here, $100. Sometimes it close on tiny profit, sometimes it close on tiny profit. Here again, 1,000. This is the position that make $100. This particular one here, it risks 1,400. It makes $1,028. This particular one here, it used 2,600, and you can see this other one here, it makes about cent. These are all the close position which come out today, and in 7 days it result on about 52 open position. This is the sweetest part of it. 90%. This is the sweetest part. 90% win rate with 49 wins, only 6 losses on 7 days. And this is all the long position, 1,247. And this is all the short position. It means 99% of the trade are short. It makes $27,400 on short positions only, with 94% win rate. ChatGPT at work, and which result on $28,000. And these are all the trading pair, and it only trades 4 pairs, which is XRP. It makes $7,000 after loss on profit. On Doge it makes $6,000. On TRX it makes $9,000. On Toncoin make $5,000. If you look this very well, you'll notice there's no room for error here. Let's go to our ChatGPT to know why this is the best. If you don't know anything about AI agent, let's allow our ChatGPT to tell us. You can also copy the same prompt. How does the AI agent crypto robot works? Kindly check this on your ChatGPT to understand why this is so accurate. At the same time, how you can make use of it to make decisions every trading day. And if you like my result, you want to join me, I'm always here to help. I'm always here to assist. If you want to gain access to the bot to trade with those, I will be more than happy to help. Just kindly check the video description. My WhatsApp number is there. I will be more than happy to have you on my team. At the same time, we also have one of the best trading strategy for Mexi. Kindly check the video description. Our Telegram link is there. Join us and let's make more money together in the crypto.